In this short video, we'll show you how to set up your ResMed AirCurve AirSense 11 machine and review the basic comfort settings so that you can feel confident using your therapy at home. After this video, please ask the representative in the room with you if you have any questions. We're happy to help. The AirCurve 11 ASV is designed to treat central and complex sleep apnea. It monitors your breathing and automatically adjusts pressure breath by breath to keep your breathing stable while you sleep. Your machine has already been programmed with the therapy settings prescribed by your doctor. You do not need to adjust your therapy pressures. First, plug the power cord into the back of the machine. The cord has two parts. One plugs into the wall. The second is the power brick that plugs into the back of the machine. You will simply take that cord, line it up appropriately, and slide it into the back of the machine. Next, set up your humidifier. The water chamber will remove directly from the side of your machine. You simply put a little pressure, squeeze, and pull. To open the lid to fill it with distilled water, you will simply grab on the tab with the side, open the lid, and fill it with distilled water to the max fill line. Close it securely and slide it back into place until it is fully seated. Check your water level each night before bed to ensure it is to the max fill line. Attach the tubing to the back of your machine and the other end will connect to your mask. If you're using heated tubing, line up the electrical connection with the heated port at the back of the machine and simply click it firmly into place. Standard tubing will have two identical ends. One will go into the machine, the other will go to the mask. In the options menu, the first option available is your ramp time. Your ramp time is a slow rise to your set pressures of your machine. You'll notice if you tap on ramp time, you can select the time it will take to get to your full pressures. If you do not like the ramp time, you can turn it off, or you can set it at 5-minute increments anywhere from 5 to 45. Once you've determined that time, you simply hit OK here to set that ramp time. Humidity level controls how much moisture you receive. Higher numbers provide more warmth and humidity. If you are using heated tubing, the machine will automatically manage temperatures and humidity in the climate control auto mode. You can switch to the manual mode to adjust tube temp and humidity levels separately. These settings are optional and can be adjusted anytime based on your comfort. Also under My Options, you'll see mask setting. Make sure this matches the type of mask that you are using. Nasal mask, which covers the nose. Pillow mask, which sits just under the nose or at the end of the nostrils, and a full face mask, which covers both the nose and the mouth. Selecting the correct mask helps ensure your machine properly adjusts for air leaks. If you ever change mask styles, update this setting. On the back of the machine is a small compartment for an air filter. Check it regularly and replace it if it appears dirty. To open it, simply pull the tab, the door will drop open, and your filter sits right in there. You'll simply take it out when you change it, throw it away, and replace it with a new one. The filter doesn't have a right way or a wrong way. Either side can go towards the machine or towards the outer part of the machine. After turning the machine off, or if you've done any type of mask fitting with your machine, you may notice a small blue flashing snowflake icon. This is normal. It means your machine is cooling down and drying itself out. It will shut itself off when it is done. That is the basic setup and comfort overview of your ResMed AirCurve 11 ASV. If you have any questions, please ask the representative in the room with you today.